Hey guys, today I'm checking out this lab skill that I received for reviewing purposes. This is the user manual that I'm gonna read in a second, okay? And we have the pieces that we are gonna use with this skill, okay? As you can see, you get different platforms on where to place items. This is the power cord. We get a 500 grams weight, okay? Let's see. So in case they need a calibrate, we can do it by ourselves. And the proper main unit, okay? As you can see, in here we got the control buttons, and in here we're gonna place this piece, okay? It comes with some screws, so we must screw it on. But it seems really, really simple. Let me just clean everything up, read the manual, and I'm gonna test it out in a second, okay?
This precision scale delivers a really high accuracy in a super fast and ultra sensitive reading level. It can streamline workflow with 6 different unit conversions and all the essential tools like having a net wake, the calibration, and the piece counting. You can have an uninterrupted operation with a rechargeable lithium battery that lasts around 6 to 8 hours, or with the AC adapter. And the backlit mode of the LCD screen allows the analytic balance to instantly display clear results in even low light conditions.
Okay guys, I have already read the instruction manual and have it already calibrated, and as you can see in here we have the screen, and now it's at 0, and if we put the weight in the middle we can see that it will go upon 500 grams, okay? We can change the unit, kilograms, ounces, CT, pounds, WT, or drums, okay? Which I think that it's nice. We can also count pieces with it, which I think that it's really, really nice. We can get the weight of a container like this, for example, it's 10 grams, okay? We press Tare, it goes up to 0, and that way we can fill up, like if we want a specific amount of coffee, for example, in this case, okay, we'll take a little bit of coffee, drop it in. That's 2 grams. Six. Let's see if we can get 10, okay? For example, right now I have exactly 10 grams of coffee, which I think that it's really, really nice. And overall, as you can see, it's quite easy to use. It comes with the instruction manual, but it's really, really easy to read and understand. It comes with all the important information about it and how to use it, which I think that it's really, really nice. You get all the controls in here, and if you want to make sure that you are on a steady surface, you got a little bubble right here that you can see when it's level, which I think that it's really, really nice. Also, in the back of it, you've got some adjustable legs that you can just rotate, and in any case that you need to set it up on a different heightness, you can do it, which I think that it's really, really nice. And overall, I think that it's a great skill that you can use it in any kind of laboratory. I really, really like it. I think that it's a really nice and easy to use skill, and I will really, really recommend it. See you guys.